Hello everyone! Kumusta po kayo? Ito ang first taste test video ko. Cloud9 Crunchies. 9-layered combo of crunchy wafers, choco cream filling, Rice Krispies, and luscious caramel wrap with milk chocolate. 20 grams, 4 inches long, and Cloud9 Crunchies is under Jack and Jill. Milk chocolate coated wafer bar with chocolate cream, Rice Krispies, and caramel. Taking the first bite. Well, I'm really still figuring out. Second bite. Then showing you the 9-layered combo of crunchy wafers, choco cream filling, Rice Krispies, and luscious caramel wrapped with milk chocolate. Actually, yung nagdala talaga is yung Rice Krispies and delicious caramel. Sweet, crunchy, okay siya.
Camera.
Hanap ko yung lens ng camera. Then finally, so I can recommend this one.
Isang libo, isang tuwa. Wala nang pambili. Ay, wala, hindi pa nauubos ah. Dati-dati ganitong araw, ubos na. Dati pa ng Sabado.
Oh, so that's it. Thank you.
Good.